Stress and our brains.
Welcome to our video about our brain and emotions.
We're going to talk about how our brains work to help us. But sometimes it changes our behaviour and might get us into trouble.
The brain.
Our brain has got three main parts: prefrontal cortex, limbic system, and brainstem. The prefrontal cortex is at the front.
We call this the upstairs brain.
Our upstairs brain helps us to think, problem solve, and try to do the right thing. If we didn't have a brain, we couldn't do anything. We need our brains to think.
My brain helps me to read and do maths.
I put this on because it takes energy for my brain to learn. The limbic system is where our feelings come from. The third part of the brain is at the back and called the brainstem. It tells us when we need to do things, like eat and breathe and have a food. The primitive brain is the limbic system and the brainstem working together.
It's also called the downstairs brain. It protects us when danger and threat is around.
What happens in our brains when we think there is threat or danger?
The downstairs and the upstairs brain stop talking to each other. This stops us from trying to solve the problem and helps us to react immediately to danger. Our downstairs brain helps us out by making us fight, flight, freeze or flop. So if we saw a dinosaur, we wouldn't stop to chat because we might be eaten. This means we can't reason, reflect or explain what is happening.
We call this
Dysregulation.
Hormones called cortisol and adrenaline are whizzing around to help us manage. Our behaviour might not look like we're asking for help. Instead, we're not listening or want to have a fight. We're just frightened and it's our body just trying to help us.
We really can't help it.
This is our way of telling the grown-ups there is a problem. And we really need help to regulate our emotions again.
How can adults help?
We do our best, but sometimes we just need a grown-up to help make us calmer.
When I'm angry, I always just walk away from the person and then basically stay in my room.
I can take deep breaths, do some colouring in. The teacher gave me an ice pack and made me feel happy. My mummy hugs me.
Now our upstairs and downstairs brain are talking again.
And we are regulated. We need help regulating from a very early age.
The more we practice it, the better we become.
Thanks for listening.
Thanks to the children, parents and staff at Prior Western Primary School in Islington for working with us on this video. Islington Council and Islington Camps have jointly developed iTips, Islington Trauma-Informed Practices, to support schools, early years and community settings in their work with children and families. For more information, go to www.islingtoncs.org/iTips. With thanks to Stone Creative Design for the filming and production of this short film.